Hey, welcome back to Blackryu Fitness. Today I'll be telling you all about a highly effective fat burning gym routine that will help you torch those extra calories and reveal the lean toned body you've been working towards. This workout is designed for all fitness levels. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, you'll find this routine challenging and rewarding. And remember, the key to burning fat is consistency. So be sure to stick with this routine and give it your all every time you hit the gym. Now, in this fat burning gym routine, we'll be focusing on a combination of cardiovascular exercises and strength training exercises that target multiple muscle groups. This will not only maximize your calorie burn, but also improve your overall fitness and body composition. So, without further ado, let's get started and burn some serious fat. Before we dive into the main workout, it's crucial to start with a proper warm-up. Warming up prepares your body for the intense exercises ahead and helps reduce the risk of injury. Spend 5 to 10 minutes warming up with the following exercises. Do jumping jacks for 1 minute, then do high knees for 1 minute. Follow that up with some butt kicks. Now do arm circles. Spend 30 seconds on forward motion and spend 30 seconds on backward motion. After that, do dynamic leg stretches, 1 minute per leg. This will get you warmed up pretty nicely. Cardiovascular exercises are the backbone of any fat burning routine. They help increase your heart rate, which in turn helps you burn more calories. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of cardio, choosing from the following exercises. First is treadmill. Set the treadmill on an incline and walk or jog at a challenging pace for 20 to 30 minutes. The second exercise is rowing machine. Row at a steady pace for 20 to 30 minutes, focusing on maintaining good form. Next up, we have the stair climber. Climb at a moderate to high intensity for 20 to 30 minutes. You can do any of these exercises to get a good cardio workout. Strength training is essential for burning fat, as it helps you build lean muscle mass, which in turn boosts your metabolism. Here are 5 great exercises that you should do as a part of strength training and a fat burning gym routine. The first strength exercise is squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower your body by bending your knees, keeping your chest up and core engaged. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Next up, we have push-ups. To do push-ups, get into a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your chest towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body, then push back up to the starting position. Next up, we have the bent over rows. Hold a dumbbell in each hand and hinge at the hips with a slight bend in your knees. Pull the dumbbells up towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top. Finally, we have the plank to shoulder tap. Get into a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Tap your left shoulder with your right hand, then your right shoulder with your left hand, while keeping your core engaged and hips stable. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps for each of these exercises with a 60-second rest between sets. To finish off this fat burning gym routine, we'll incorporate a short high intensity interval training or a HIIT session. HIIT is an effective way to burn calories quickly and keep your metabolism elevated long after your workout is over. Perform each exercise for 30 seconds at maximum intensity, with a 30-second rest between exercises. Complete 2 to 3 rounds of the following exercises. Begin with burpees by starting in the standing position, squatting down, and placing your hands on the ground. Jump your feet back into a plank position, then jump your feet back to your hands and explode up into a jump. Next, perform mountain climbers in a plank position, quickly alternating driving your knees towards your chest as if running in place. After that, execute jump squats by squatting down and exploding upward, jumping as high as you can, land softly and immediately lower into the next squat. Move on to bicycle crunches by lying on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Bring your right elbow towards your left knee while straightening your right leg. Then switch sides, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee. Finally, perform skater jumps by jumping laterally to the right, landing on your right foot and crossing your left foot behind you. Immediately jump to the left, landing on your left foot and crossing your right foot behind you. Make sure to take at least a couple of days of rest every week to provide proper rest and recovery to your muscles and to avoid injuries. This comprehensive fat burning gym routine that combines cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and HIIT will help you burn calories, build lean muscle, and torch stubborn. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure you incorporate this routine into your regular workout schedule and stay dedicated to achieving your fitness goals. Now, before you go, take a moment to like this video, leave a comment below letting me know what you think of this fat burning gym routine, and share your progress with the Blackryu Fitness community. I always love hearing your success stories and any feedback you might have. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss out on the latest fitness tips, workout routines, and expert advice. Thank you for joining today and for being a part of the Blackryu Fitness family. Now go out there, give this workout your all, and watch those extra pounds melt away.